Hello there everyone, my name is Pritam Negi and I welcome you all to my channel. Now in this video I will be talking with you about royalty-free music or background music that you can download for free, and you do not need to give credit to anyone or you do not need to purchase anything, and YouTube itself support it a lot and have provided a whole bunch of songs and background music. So in order to access that background music, what you need to do, first of all, just log into your YouTube account and then you need to click here, go to Creator Studio, and then from here you need to click on Create, and here we go. We can see the whole bunch of library, and you can also filter it by genre or mood or maybe the instrument type. And how you're gonna download it, just click on here. You can even play it and try like how it is, and after you select it you just need to click here, and here we go. We have successfully downloaded the background music for our video. I hope guys this tutorial might help you that how you can download YouTube free background music for your video. If yes, then please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Till then, bye bye.